Mihira, about tomorrow's assignments. I'm reviewing the list. We have Mr. Henderson in room 3 with arrhythmia, and Mrs. Harry in 5, who's post-angioplasty.
Mr. Davies, I'm comfortable with cardiac patients, but the patient load is a concern. Mr. Henderson needs frequent monitoring, but my main issue is mobility. Young David, a hip replacement patient, needs constant assistance. Mrs. Green is also very frail, recovering from pneumonia, and needs repositioning every 2 hours. Mr. Sam, the new DVT admission, requires a lot of observation.
Right. Mr. Sam's primary issue is potential pulmonary complications, and Mrs. Green's respiratory status is paramount. My plan was for you to take 5 patients. Are you suggesting you're stretched too thin?
Well, 5 is manageable if less intensive. But with Mr. Henderson, Mrs. Green, and Mr. Sam needing vigilant oversight, plus David's extensive physical care, I can't dedicate adequate time. One person has limits managing simultaneous critical needs and significant physical assistance requirements.
I hear you. Let's reevaluate the distribution then. Mihira, I know this is an incredibly overwhelming and frightening time, and seeing someone you care about in this situation can leave you feeling helpless and searching for answers. What has happened is that the stroke has interrupted the blood supply to a part of the brain, and because different areas of the brain control different functions, this disruption can cause a variety of effects. You might notice weakness or paralysis on one side of the body, perhaps a drooping of the face, or difficulty lifting an arm or leg. It's also very common to have trouble with speech, either in forming words or understanding what is being said, and there can be difficulties with swallowing or with vision. These are the direct result of the brain injury, and it is a lot to process. In the midst of this, Mihira, I want you to take a small breath of relief because there is very positive news to hold on to. The most critical and dangerous phase has passed. His vital signs are stable, meaning his heart, breathing, and blood pressure are strong and steady, which provides a secure foundation for everything that comes next. What is even more encouraging is that the team has already started his therapy. This immediate action is crucial. The brain has a remarkable ability to begin healing and rewiring itself, but it needs the stimulation of therapy to do so. Starting now, so early, gives him the very best possible chance. He is in the best place, with the right people, and the work toward recovery has already begun. Focus on that progress.